So I hope the concept of competence is clear to you. So there are two sides of communication, which is like one, the awareness of the basic concept of that concepts and grammatical ideas and the structuring and the system of that language and the vocabulary, which is called competence by Noam Chomsky. And though not exactly the same concept, but similar a concept, which is Lang by Ferdinand de Saussure. And then there is parole, which are the everyday utterances and interactions that we make, which is again by Ferdinand de Saussure. When it comes to Noam Chomsky, he has given that concept the name performance. So these two actually, these are not exactly the same concepts, but for ease, they're similar concepts, but for ease I'm just clubbing them together. So we need both to be effective communicators. That is, we need the to understand, because if you do not understand how, where to pause a language, pause a sentence and all, the meaning deciphered by the receiver could be entirely different. Like, did you do it? Did you do it? Or did you do that? So there are differences, there are subtle differences. So grammatical understanding of the language may not tell you about these differences, but understanding these differences is made possible because of your performance or the understanding of the parole or everyday use of language. And there are many words even which are not there in the dictionary but actually come in our everyday interactions. You must have noticed in Malayalam, in English, there are many words which are not there in the dictionary, but they are used very often in our everyday context. So there are many differences between the competence part and the performance part. So clubbing these both is very significant. Good hold of both is very significant to become effective communicators. So I hope that idea is clear. But considering this paper is a very practical paper rather than a very theoretical paper, we will hold the theoretical part there and not go into that much details about linguistics or its other areas of study. But rather, now we will get into the kind of things that we are actually supposed to do in this paper. Those are practical sessions. Now there are many difficulties because we are teaching in the online mode. Earlier what we used to do is we used to conduct mock drills in the classroom. That is, we would have students coming onto the stage and performing in front of us, also that their communication ability is better and they gain confidence in the way they speak. And it used to be a very non-judgmental space where they would act out and pretend to be some characters and enjoy themselves, because it's mostly their friends who are around. So we will be missing all that in the initial phases during the online classes, but we will try to make up for it through the through these online platforms itself. So I was thinking the next module is about communication exercises, communication at a hospital, communication at a bus stop, communication at a school. So similar communication contexts which need to be acted out by the students. So I think it's going to be difficult, but it can be made possible if you guys help me out. So can you try to video call each other? I hope you guys must have made friends with each other. Can you try to video call each other and screen record a conversation at a hospital? Two students can video call each other and screen record a conversation at a hospital. Or probably you can just call each other on the phone and record a conversation, imagining that you guys are at the hospital. Or probably you can try Google meeting each other and recording that screen, or just the audio at least. Or you can just pretend to be two individuals and record for two individuals, either video or audio. That is, I can speak for one character and then switch my role to the other character. So all these things can be done. Or we can have live sessions where you guys can act out roles. So whichever you would prefer, comment in the comments section. We would have difficulties. It's not necessary that everybody has access to the resources to do all these things. There must be students who may not be able to do all that, but for the time being, we will see what can be done. We will run some trials. So whatever difficulties you would have, you can communicate it to me. There is no compulsion or there is no pressure on you. We will just go according to your pace. Don't worry. So whatever difficulties you have, you can tell me. So for the time being, I'll wind up. So comment your ideas on how to conduct these practical sessions over the internet. So I hope you guys will make your comments. Thank you very much for listening. You have been a wonderful batch of students. Thank you very much.